The Steampunk Analytical Engine stands at the convergence of 19th-century ambition and 21st-century expectation. Its form is unmistakably Victorian, a massive cast-iron chassis wrapped in polished brass, vast arrays of interlocking gears, levers, and puncturing camshafts. A towering height of 4 feet and a width of 3, the machine resembles a cathedral organ more than any contemporary desktop. Its symmetry is governed by a central gear tower, from which primary shafts radiate to a forest of secondary gear trains, each encased in delicate glass panels that reveal the perpetually turning cogs. Functionally, the engine translates mechanical motion into binary-like decisions through a series of punch card inputs and a reprogrammable operation wheel, a rotating disc bearing engraved instructions beneath a magnifying lens. Data is fed via steam-driven punch tapes. Each perforation lifts a tiny lever, setting a corresponding gear to either engaged or disengaged. The result is a cascade of mechanical logic that can perform arithmetic, sort tables, and even render simple graphics onto a brass-coated printing drum. Its output, a stream of crisp, ink-stained paper, mimics the pixelated displays of modern computers, while the humming of steam provides an audible feedback loop reminiscent of a processor's clock. Aesthetically, the engine embraces the romantic excess of the steampunk movement. Its surfaces are hand-engraved with floral motifs and neo-Gothic filigree, while exposed rivets catch the amber glow of gas lamps. The visual language is deliberately anachronistic. Steam valves resemble ventilation ducts of cyberpunk megacities, and the brass gears shimmer like circuitry on a motherboard. The design's tactile quality invites viewers to trace the gear teeth, appreciating how the machine's physicality replaces invisible transistors. In its imagined world, the engine powers everything from municipal ledgers to early data visualization boards, proving that the marriage of gear and steam could have rendered the digital age in a decidedly analog, and spectacular, fashion.